Good evening. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Hashim. I'm from SKR4. I want to talk about how to service blower aircon. Okay, I want to show you. Firstly, you're using is tools. Number one is screwdriver and two fairing. Okay. Beside that, for safety step, firstly, do not ensuring the use of apparently nothing such is a even is use safety boot. Secondly, cannot to play with doing to walk. Okay. Finally, in ensuring the use of the equipment in the near to turn around. Okay, I want to show you how to step service blower. Okay guys, to bit continue for service blower. First, number one, we must to open the clip or screwdriver using two screwdriver. Okay. Okay, we're going to for table. I can explain with you with the people. Okay, is a filter blower and blower. How I can show you to service blower. First, number one, onto firing. First step to find to blower is distance. Okay, guys. How to want to with people is service blower. Okay, show you. Okay, is filter. If not good, can you applicable on the new is blower. Okay, come. Okay, is blower. This filter is position is blower. If today okay, pull it, the filter is blower. If at the dashboard, okay, going to back. Okay, so I want to talk about this service blower today. Okay, I hope these people can do it to service blower for car there. Okay, so thank you.